This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these multi-compartment bio boxes. And we've got two size options. The first is the 47 ounce and the second is the 50 ounce. So you've got some different configurations and different capacities, both with that great divider in there. So they're perfect for carry out for large serving portions and keeping your mains and sides separate, or your dessert if that's the case. These disposable containers are made of strong grease-resistant paper that's also recyclable, meaning that they're easy to use and they'll be easy for your guests to clean up when they're done. The high-quality craft paper features a great lock and tab design to easily close and keep your foods secure during transit, so helping prevent messes and leaks for foods on the go. So these can be used with both hot and cold foods, making them a great option for takeout. And they're perfect for large meals where you need to pack various items together, making them a great option for restaurants, cafes, bistros, diners, food trucks, or just even packing your lunches at home to take to the office.